Everyone, David Cook with DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are working in a house in Oak Brook, Illinois. So one of the things that we were working on is stripping wallpaper. So initially the customer thought this was wallpaper, and it's actually a rag rolled finish. And I don't think it was rolled, I think it was done by hand, because you can see that little thing right there where there's a difference in how it was done. And usually that doesn't happen with a roller, but I could be wrong. As we're looking at the paint itself, let's see if you can find it. We thought they just painted it, and now we're looking at it even closer, and we can see that they actually went over the existing paper. So they primed everything on spot, and they took off what they could, and then just kind of went over with this to kind of make it look good. You can kind of see the prep work that we have to do, because part of the wallpaper they still left on the bottom, which we get to finish taking that off. And then you can still see places where there's wallpaper paste residue still there. There's still places where there's the wallpaper itself left on there. Again, more of the lines from the wallpaper seams. So I get to show on the camera. Well, it's right there, but for whatever reason, it's not showing up on the video. But you can kind of see just where the wallpaper was on there. That's stuff we'll have to power sand around here, and we'll have to power sand this whole room down to get it to where all the stuff is taken off, smooth, and then we'll float it to make it nice and flat. This area actually is showing the best. Just all these little imperfections that you can see in the wall. We'll have to get rid of all that stuff before we paint it. So some other thing that we're looking for when we're estimating a home, why one room maybe more than another, is just some of the prep work that we have to do to make it look good. If you have questions about wallpaper removal or painting your walls that have been damaged, give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.